In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Vrbo owner login not working. Let's get started. First, double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. Vrbo recently updated its owner sign-in system and some users now get redirected to Expedia's group's login page, so saved passwords may not autofill correctly anymore. Try typing your login details manually instead of relying on autofill. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, launch your browser, click on three dots, select the option Delete Browsing Data. Now click on this option Time Range and select All Time. Click on Browsing Data, check in for all these options. Click on Confirm, click on Delete Data and confirm it. Next, you can try switching to Incognito mode and try logging in into Vrbo owner account. Next up, if you are using app updated, so launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Vrbo. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If updating does not work, completely delete the app and reinstall it. Likewise, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network. Likewise, disable any VPN or proxy service because Vrbo security system may block suspicious login attempts. Next, reset your password. Some hosts reported that logging in as a traveler, first changing the password and then signing back into owner dashboard solved the issue completely. So that's a wrap for this video. One of these methods will definitely fix your issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.